Ever feel like making money online is this golden opportunity just out of reach? Like everyone's trying, posting reels, shorts, TikToks, hoping for that viral hit. But most folks, they get stuck. Why? Because content creation eats up your time. Scripts, videos, graphics, voiceovers, social posts, finding clients. It's endless, mate. You think you'll need Canva, InVideo, CapCut, a copywriter, a designer, a voiceover artist, and maybe a small army of editors just to keep up. That's a full-time job, and an expensive one. So what do most people do? They quit or never even start. But what if I told you there's one AI tool that literally does a bit? No hiring, no editing, no complicated software, no experience needed. Seriously, imagine you type in your idea. This AI writes the script, builds the video, creates the graphics, even adds the voiceover. It designs your posts, and here's the kicker, helps you get paying clients. That's exactly how I made $2,147 in 48 hours. Real numbers, real clients. Businesses out there are desperate for daily content, reels, shorts, TikToks, because it's how they stay relevant and grow. But they don't have the time to make it, and they definitely don't want to learn how. So what did I do? I offered them done-for-you viral short videos, delivered in minutes, powered entirely by this AI tool. No skills, no team, no waiting. Clients paid $199, $249, $299, and one massive $948 order. Do the math, that's $2,147 in just 2 days. And here's the mad part, anyone can do this. Honestly, if you can send an email, you can run this system. It's completely repeatable. Today, tomorrow, next week. Every business out there needs more content, and you can be the person delivering it. Want to know exactly how I did it? I've put together a full, step-by-step case study. Shows you how to find clients, what messages to send, how to price your services, and how to use the AI so you're delivering work in minutes, not hours. And yeah, it's totally free. No catch, no fluff. Just pure, actionable value. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck, tired of watching others cash in while you're spinning your wheels, download the free case study now. The future of earning online is here, and it's automated. Don't miss out.